In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sendgrid API key. First, make sure you're logged into your Sendgrid account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, we're going to head straight to the section where Sendgrid lets you manage your API keys. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the main navigation menu. In that menu, click on Settings. When the settings options expand, choose the one labeled API Keys. This is where all of your existing keys are listed and where you'll create new ones. Once you're on the API Keys page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Create API Key. Go ahead and click that. This will open a form where you can configure the new key before it's generated. The first thing you'll need to do is give your key a name. In the API Key name field, type something descriptive that clearly tells you what this key will be used for. For example, you might name it Website Contact Form or Marketing Emails. The goal is to make it easy to recognize later, especially if you end up creating multiple keys for different projects or environments. Next, you'll choose the permissions for this API key. This step is important for security and access control. Sendgrid gives you a few main options. If you select Full Access, this key will be able to access all parts of your account. That's powerful, but it also means you should only use it when you really need that level of control and always keep it very secure. If you pick Custom Access, you can fine-tune what the key can and cannot do. This lets you enable access only to the specific features your application needs, while excluding things like billing and email address validation. It's a great way to follow the principle of least privilege, which helps protect your account. There's also a billing access option. This allows the key to interact with billing-related endpoints for your account. This is particularly useful for larger or more advanced setups where automated billing management or integration with external systems is required. After you've chosen the appropriate permissions, click the Create and View button. Sendgrid will now generate your new API key. At this point, you'll see the key displayed on the screen, and this is very important. It will only be shown once. As soon as it appears, copy it right away and store it somewhere secure, such as a trusted password manager or a secure secrets vault in your development environment. Avoid saving it in plain text files or sharing it in chat messages. Once you navigate away from this page, Sendgrid will not show the full key again for security reasons, so treat it carefully. And that's it. You've successfully created and stored your Sendgrid API key, and it's now ready to be used in your application or integration.